story is about a team that paid a lot of money to go to the past when the dinosaurs existed, and they were very specific because if they killed a dinosaur they weren't supposed to kill, they would be in big problems. But then they went back to the present and everything was different. The colors, how they write it, everything. According to the story, it takes place in the present in the United States and in the past in an ancient jungle. According to the book, in the present it's the year 2055 and in the past is 60 million years ago. The theme of the story is that the tiniest mistake, or even a silly one, can affect in a really big way. When they returned to the present, everything was very different, from the colors to the way they wrote.